Good morning, guys. How are you? It is not morning, but it's okay. I have to burp and... Excuse me. Excuse me again. Uploaded video till downloaded. Oh. You look so beautiful. Got a baby. I'm gonna lose baby. I'm gonna give birth. There's the boy. Here's a beautiful baby boy. I don't know what the fuck is he. You're so beautiful. I don't know what the song is, but it's from SourceFed. That's all I know. And there's today in history. Because I'm doing today in history. Not really history. I don't know why I'm making that face. Yeah, baby. I'm pregnant, guys. Do you know? I don't know who the father is, but that's what I get for hoeing around. The camera's got ultrasound on it. I mean, you just tell what the baby is gonna look like. Everything. My baby's really like, stop, mom, stop. It is really not that bright on your face. It just looks like it is. Well, guys, this is good night, and I will see you tomorrow. What the heck is up with my face today? You tell me, I don't know. But I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys had a good day and laughed at my birth-giving experience that happened today. Baby's doing fine. You can't even do that with a straight face. That's what happens when I get bored and I'm by myself. Just be happy you guys got to see it all. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.